not enough.
Good morning. Hello, my name is Moises from Paisen Gate Department. Did you want to speak to me?
Yes, I do want to speak to you. My name is Maria Jose Gerger.
How can I help you?
I'm very worried about Jose. Up to now, I was taking care of him at home, but now the way this situation are very complicated. I need him to get better so I can take care of him at home.
He's here right now for rehab. I hope he will recover from his stroke symptoms and be able to move around better.
Do you think it's possible for the governor to give me money for taking care of him? I'm the only one taking care of him, and don't bother calling his son because he doesn't want anything to do with his father.
There are no government programs that offer money to private caregivers, but there might be some financial aid for Jose through dependency laws.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very worried about him.
Don't worry, I will let you know what I find out.